Sure is a beautiful day for this.
Yeah. It's supposed to rain today.
Oh,
Yeah.
it was 8% today. You think it's gonna rain? (1951) MGTD.
I'll take you out to this cul-de-sac.
Same owner since 87?
86.
86. You did a beautiful job restoring it.
This is a cul-de-sac down here, and there's another cul-de-sac here.
Okay, cool. We can, yeah, just take one and we'll go back. We're just gonna show them that it runs nice. Oh yeah, yeah, they did it. I wondered for a minute. Ah. It's a nice turnaround.
Yeah.
Well, they also get, not only do they see how nice your car runs, they get a little travel log of Sandy Springs. Okay, well, I think we showed them how good it runs, so I'll end it here, but this car is available for sale for a limited time online. Just look at the description for details. 1951 MGTD, beautifully restored.